Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm sharing my unboxing of Spellbinders September 2021 card kit. The theme is Together is the Best. The kit is now available and I do have links provided in the description box below. You must sign up by September 24th in order to receive this kit. So let me show you everything that's included. There are 9 pieces of cardstock and these are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. So we have a light blue, there's a bright orange, a very light gray, we have black, there's a cream, it's a little more of a vanilla color, and then there's a lighter cream. There's dark blue. There's one specialty cardstock and this is gold mirror, and then there's also light pink. There's always the full paper pad, so there's 40 sheets of 6x6 paper and these are all single-sided designs. So you'll get 2 of each, and I'll just flip through these quickly. Many of the patterns do have some of that gold foil finish, so that's always fun. I think Spellbinders always has a really good variety of patterns. There's some tone-on-tone, there's a nice brick wall, lots of lovely florals. There's some more tone-on-tone, there's just a bunch of little plus signs, there's plaid. I love this with all the pears and the leaves. Some more muted, there's some teeny tiny little pink houses, so those are fun. More florals, there's some polka dot splatters, some trees, and then we're back to the beginning with those beautiful floral designs. Next is the stamp set. So there's those fun little nesting dolls, and then there's some great sentiments. From our family to yours, when we have each other, we have everything. Welcome to the family. Together is the best place to be. You are beautiful inside and out, and wishing you a day filled with love. Then we have the chipboard stickers. So there's 2 sheets, and some of those have that foil finish on them as well, so that's really fun. Next is the sheet of puffy stickers, and I love this since it's lots of sentiments. There's also little hearts and circles as well, but I think those sentiments are perfect. There's a sheet of sentiment puffy stickers in the gold foil, and I love the variety of hearts, so those will be great for embellishments. There's also a package of chipboard frames. So these are really fun, and they are chipboard, so they are fairly thick. So lots of pretty soft colors. They'll go nicely with that paper collection, and they do have that gold foil finish on them. Spellbinders always has a nice variety of their die cut shapes. So I haven't opened these yet, but I will spread them out at the end of this video if you want to see everything that's included. There are 10 A2 size envelopes and card bases, and their card bases have a nice texture on them. You also get the double-sided adhesive tape and the little sheet of foam squares. And then here's the die set. There's 14 different dies included. And I've removed them from the package so you can see all of the dies included. It's a die set to assemble a rotary phone. Isn't that fun? It also has a couple of sentiments, hello you and phone home. And this is the die set used for the tutorial sample card that's included in the kit. Here's a look at all of the die cut shapes that are included in the kit. I have them all spread out, and there are 2 of each. So I just stacked them on top of each other. So you have lots of images and sentiments. I think this one will be really fun to use. Now here's just another look at Spellbinders September 2021 card kit. The theme is Together is the Best. I do have links provided in the description box if you are interested in joining the kit membership. And they also have some value memberships if you want to join more than one club, and it'll be a discounted price. I'll also add a link in the description box for my card video using this kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.